Students, today you will be doing exercise 6.1 in linear equations. Okay, the first question is solve each of the following equations. X plus 6 is equal to 8. So you will be using the first four rules. That means when you add a number to both sides, the equation doesn't change, or subtract from both sides, or divide or multiply from the both sides. So here x plus 6 is equal to 8. Now x plus 6, so you can subtract 6 from both the sides. Okay, now plus 6 and minus 6 cancel, so x is equal to 8 minus 6 is equal to 2. So the answer is, solve means finding the value of the variable. Now next is 2 minus x. So 2 minus x, here it is plus 2. So I'll put a minus 2, that is 5 minus 2. This plus 2 and minus 2 cancel, so it is minus x is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. So you can interchange it, x is equal to minus 3. Okay, it can be done in another way also, like transposition. So 2 minus x is equal to 5. This can be done in second method, that is number to the one side and variable to the other side. So I am keeping the variable here, minus x is equal to 5, and this 2, as it changes, plus 2 will change to minus 2. So it is minus x is equal to 3 or x is equal to minus 3. So both the answers, either any method you can use. Okay, now next is 4x is equal to minus 6. So I divide this one here. So what will happen? 4x upon 4. Okay, 4x upon 4 equal to minus 6 upon 4. 4x upon 4 is x. X is equal to minus 6 by 4. Minus 6 by 4, if you reduce it, it is minus 3 by 2. That is the answer. Here x upon 2 is equal to 5. So here you can multiply by 2. So multiply 2 on both sides. So 5 into 2. 2 and 2 cancel. So x is equal to 5 into 2, it is 10. Next is 2y minus 3 is equal to 2. Either any transposition or this method can be used. Okay, so if it is 2y minus 3 is here, so I am putting a plus 3 equal to, so 2 plus 3. So 3 and plus 3 cancels. So 2y equal to, that is 5. Okay, now 2y equal to 5 means, what will you do for that? It is 2 into y. 2 into y equal to 5. So you can divide by 2. So 2y by 2. That's equal to 5 by 2. If you divide here in the left hand side, you can divide this one. So 2 and 2 cancel. So y is equal to 5 upon 2. So what is the answer? Y is equal to 5 upon 2 is the answer here. Okay. Now next one is solve 5 into x plus 1 equal to 25. So here, if you want to solve 5 into this one, first you have to multiply. That is just using the distributive property. So it is 5x plus 5, as you multiply it, equal to 25. So number on one side and this one. So variable on one side. That's equal to 25. This plus 5, if it goes here, it becomes minus 5. That is 20. So 5 into x. 5x is equal to 20. So what is x? X is equal to 20. Here it is multiplication. That goes to division. That is 4. So addition becomes subtraction. Subtraction becomes addition. Multiplication becomes division. And division becomes multiplication. This we have already told you, and you have to be very thorough. Now here 3x minus 1 equal to, you can cross multiply this one. 4 into 11, that is 44. Okay, now 3x equal to, already 44 is here, this minus 1 goes this side, so it becomes plus 1, that is 45. So 3x is equal to 45. Now what is x? 45. This is multiplication, it goes here as division, so it is 15. So x is equal to 15. Solve the equation. Here both sides, till now you were having a constant on one side and the expression on the other side. Now here both sides you are having, so you have to variable on one side and number on another side. So same here, 5x, this minus x comes to this side, means plus x. That's equal to what? First, what is there on the right hand side, that you will write, that is 12. Now minus 6 will come to this side, so it is plus 6. So that is 18. what is 5x plus x? 4 apple plus 1 apple is 5 apple. So 5 apple plus 1 apple is 6 apple. So 6x equal to 18. 6 into what is 18? So x is equal to, this is multiplication. So you will have the division here. That is x by 18 by 6. That is 3. So x is equal to 3. Now next is n by 3 plus 1. Here also see that n by 3 minus n will come to this side. That's equal to 4 and minus 1 here. That is 3. Now we'll take the LCM. LCM is 3. So what is it? It is n plus 3n upon 3. We'll take it as, what is n plus n? 4n. 4n equals to 3 into 3. That is 9. n is equal to 9 by 4. Okay. n is equal to 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 can be written as 2 and 1 by 4 also. So n can be 2 and 1 by 4 also. Now 5p plus 7 equals 19. So 5p, I am putting everything here. So plus minus 2p will come here as plus 2p equal to 19 already there on right hand side, and plus 7 will come to as minus 7. 19 minus 7 is 12. Now 5p plus 7p is 2p is 7p. 7p is equal to 12. What about p? 7 into p. So multiplication will become division. So how much it is? 1 and 5 by 7. This is the answer. Now 18 minus 3y upon 4 equal to 11 plus y. So here numbers on one side, 18 minus 11, plus 11 will come here, and y minus 3y plus this one will become plus 3y by 4. Now you can take the LCM here. LCM is 4. So as you take the LCM here 4, it becomes 4y plus 3y. Okay. So 18 minus 11 is 7. So 4y plus this one, 7y upon 4. LHS and LHS equal to RHS, or it can be interchanged also. So I am changing the position. So 7y upon 4 equal to 7. Now you can cross multiply. 7y equals 7 4s are 28. So y equals 28. Multiplication will become division. That is 4. So you got the answer as y is equal to 4. Okay. Now next one, solve and verify. Here you have to verify your answers. That is, whatever the value you got for the variable has to be put in the solution. So it is, first you will expand distributing property. Minus 2 equals x plus 2. Now 2x, this x will come here minus x, and 2 plus 2, that is 4. So x is equal to 4. You got it, our answer. Now verification. How will you verify? 2 into whatever you put, x is equal to 4 in the equation. So x is equal to 4. So 4 minus 1, that is equal to 4 plus 2. What is 4 minus 1? 3. That is equal to 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 is equal to 6. Hence verified. You have verified, that is LHS is equal to RHS. You have verified, isn't it? Yes. Next, 3x minus 1 by 3 equals 2 into x minus. So what will you do? First you can either take the LCM, or else the first expand the right hand side. So 2x minus, what is 2 into half? That is 1 plus 5. So it is 2x plus 4 minus plus 5. 5 minus 1 is 4. Here you got it as 3x minus 1 by 3. Now these are having variables. So I am putting it on one side. Minus 2x equal to 4, and minus 1 by 3 will become plus. Take the LCM. 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 1. That is 13 by 3. So 3x minus 2x is x. X is equal to 13 by 3. Now how will you verify this one? Put this one value. So you can verify it. That is 3 into 13 by 3 minus 1 by 3 equals 2 into 13 by 3 minus half plus 5. Isn't it? So 3 cancels. 13 minus 1 by 3, it is 13 minus 1 by 3 equals 2 into, how much you will get here? 13 by 3 minus this one. You will cancel it. So it is 26 by 3 minus 1 plus what is it? You got it as plus 5. Isn't it? So here it is 38 by 3, that is 39 minus 1 by 3. So 38 by 3 equals 2 into you have multiplied this one, so it is 29. So 26 by 3 plus 4 by 5 plus 1, 5 minus 1. So here it is 26 plus 12 by 3, that is 38 by 3. Okay, this one you got it here. So it is 38 by 3 equals 38 upon 3. So verified. Now next is 4 into 2x minus 1 equals minus 2 into. So here you will expand, that is 4 into, how much it is, 4 into 2, that is 8x. 8x minus 4 into 1 is 4, minus 2 into this one, minus 2x, minus of minus is plus, 2 into 5 is 10. That's equal to 5x plus 5 plus 3, that is 5x plus 8. Okay, here 8x minus 2x is 6x, minus 4 and plus 10, that is plus 6, isn't it? So now you can, this is variable and this is also. So 6x minus 5x is equal to 8 minus 6. What is it? X is equal to 2. This much you got. Now putting x is equal to 2 in this equation. How will you do? Putting this one. So 4 into 2 into 2 minus 1 minus 2 into 2 minus 5. First LHS we will solve. So it is 4 into 2 into 2 4. 4 minus 1 3. Minus 2 into, this is minus 3. So it is 4 3s are 12 minus is plus 2 6, that is 18. So you got it as 18 here. Now RHS is 5 into, put the value 2 plus 1 plus 3. 5 into 3 plus 3, that is 15 plus 3, that is equal to 18. So our LHS equal to RHS. So hence what will you write? Verified. You have verified the question. Okay, next find the value of P. X raised to 4 minus this one is given. So x is equal to minus 2. In this equation, x raised to 4 minus 3x cube minus px minus 5 equal to 23. You had to put the value of minus 2. So it is minus 2 to the power 4 minus, what will happen here? 3 into minus 2 to the power 3 minus p into minus 2 minus 5 equal to 23, isn't it? So minus 4 times minus 2, it is odd number, negative to the power odd, even number is positive. The 2 to the power 4, for 2 into 2 4, 4 4s are 16. So 16 minus 3 into, it is minus 8, 2 to the power 8, minus of minus is plus, plus 2p minus 5 equal to 23. Now it is minus of minus 8 into 3. So 16 plus 24 plus 2p equal to this. I am taking here minus 5 will go here as 23 plus 5, that is 28. Now 16 plus 24, it is 40. 40 plus 2p equal to 28. What is 2p? 2p equals 28 minus 40. How much it is? 40 minus, that is 12. So p equals, it is minus 12 because it minus 40 here. Okay, so 2p, p equals minus 12 upon 2. How much it is? Minus 6. So what did you get as answer? P equals minus 6. So you got this as answer. So the first exercise is completed. Either you can use the rules of solving the linear equation, or else you have used transposition. Okay, that means you have interchanged the position. Here you have used, that is either you added on both sides or subtracted or divided, and here you have used the changing, that means variable to one side and other to one. Okay, thank you.